Hello boys and girls, it's me Nimbus. Imagine a world filled with croaks and ribbits where tiny creatures with big eyes and smooth moist skin hop around happily. Welcome to the enchanting world of frogs and toads that captivate the hearts of kids and adults alike. Frogs and toads belong to the animal family called amphibians, which means they can live both in water and on land. These remarkable creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Let's dive into the fascinating world of these amphibians and discover what makes them so unique. Frogs and toads come in various sizes. The smallest frog is the Paedophrine amoensis, which can fit comfortably on a fingernail. On the other hand, the Goliath frog, found in Central Africa, can grow as big as a dinner plate, making it the largest frog in the world. These hoppers have been around for a very long time. Fossil evidence suggests that they have been on Earth for more than 200 million years, which means they were around when dinosaurs roamed the planet. One of the favorite hangouts for frogs and toads is the pond. These water-loving creatures start their lives as tiny eggs laid in the water. Soon, the eggs hatch into tadpoles, which are like underwater swimmers with long tails. As they grow, tadpoles undergo a magical transformation called metamorphosis. Their tails shrink, legs develop, and they gradually turn into adult frogs or toads. It's like their own little fairy tale. There are over 7,000 species of frogs and toads found all around the world, except in extremely cold or dry environments. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations, making them a diverse and interesting group of animals. Not all frogs and toads live near water. Some, like the burrowing frogs, spend most of their lives underground. They come out only during the rainy season to mate and feed. Their unique lifestyle showcases the adaptability of these amphibians to various habitats. Have you ever noticed how frogs and toads move? Instead of walking, they hop. Their powerful hind legs help them leap from place to place, making them excellent jumpers. Some frogs can jump up to 20 times their body length. That's like a person jumping over a school bus. Hopping isn't just a fun way to get around, it also helps them catch insects for dinner and escape from predators. The world record for the longest frog jump is held by a species called the South African sharp-nosed frog. It can leap over 10 feet in a single jump. Imagine if humans could jump like that, we'd be able to clear a whole basketball court in one go. When the sun sets and the moon rises, frogs and toads become the rock stars of the animal kingdom. Male frogs and toads are known for their unique songs, which they use to attract mates. Each species has its own special tune, ranging from melodious trills to deep croaks. It's like a magical concert in the moonlit pond, and each frog has its own musical style. Frogs and toads are masters of disguise. Their skin comes in a variety of colors and patterns, helping them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This camouflage is their way of staying hidden from predators like birds and snakes. Some frogs even have bright colors to warn predators that they taste bad or are poisonous. Talk about their clever defense mechanisms. Do you know that the skin of these amphibians can breathe? Unlike humans, They don't rely on lungs alone to breathe. Instead, they can absorb oxygen through their skin. This adaptation helps them stay underwater for extended periods and makes their skin extra sensitive to environmental changes. These amphibians have some extraordinary adaptations that help them survive in diverse environments. Some have sticky pads on their feet for climbing trees, while others have webbed feet for swimming. The warty bumps on a toad's skin secrete toxins that deter predators. Some species of frogs have developed incredible survival strategies. The wood frog, for example, can survive being frozen during the winter months. It essentially stops breathing and its heart stops beating, only to thaw out and resume normal activities when the weather warms up. Certain species of frogs have the ability to change their skin color. This is not for camouflage, like chameleons, but rather as a response to temperature, light, and mood. It's their way of expressing themselves and adapting to their surroundings. Frogs and toads truly showcase the incredible ways animals adapt to their habitats. Frogs and toads are considered environmental indicators. Because of their sensitivity to changes in the environment, scientists study them to understand the health of ecosystems. If frogs and toads are thriving, it's a good sign that the environment is in good shape. Frogs and toads are voracious eaters, and their diet consists mainly of insects. Some species have specialized tongues that can shoot out and grab prey in the blink of an eye. It's like having a built-in insect-catching superpower. These animals face challenges in the wild, including habitat loss and pollution. As young conservationists, we can do our part to help these fantastic creatures. Simple actions like not polluting water sources and preserving natural habitats make a big difference in ensuring a healthy environment for frogs and toads. In conclusion, frogs and toads are not just ordinary creatures, they are extraordinary beings that bring joy and wonder to the world. These facts only scratch the surface of the incredible world of these amphibians. From their life in the pond to their hopping adventures and nocturnal serenades, these amphibians teach us about the beauty of nature and the importance of conservation. Their diversity, unique adaptations, and important ecological roles make them truly remarkable and essential members of our planet's ecosystems. So, the next time you hear a ribbit or spot a hopping friend, remember the magic of frogs and toads that make our world a truly amazing place. I hope you have enjoyed learning some of the amazing facts about these wonderful animals. Keep exploring, kids, and help us grow by sharing this video and subscribing to this channel.